Okay, so while we are waiting for everyone else to join, I will start the presentation so far, and I will play a short video that we have prepared until we are at least 5 or 6 minutes in.
Our customer success team is here to ensure that you get the most from JoVE, whether it be mapping your syllabus to JoVE Multimedia, creating assessment aids, or general curriculum consulting. Our dedicated staff of STEM experts know this science, and the students who are learning it. With academic backgrounds in science, teaching, and research, our curriculum specialists have an in-depth knowledge of identifying pedagogical challenges with JoVE solutions. Here are some ways they can help. Our customer success team is here to ensure that you get the most from JoVE, whether it be mapping your syllabus to JoVE Multimedia, creating assessment aids, or general curriculum consulting. Our dedicated staff of STEM experts know this science, and the students who are learning it. With academic backgrounds in science, teaching, and research, our curriculum specialists have an in-depth knowledge of identifying pedagogical challenges with JoVE solutions. Here are some ways they can help. Host institution-wide webinars and support library resource days and faculty one-on-ones. Map JoVE content to any textbook, syllabus, or lab training program, and create shareable playlists, all built into your institution subscription. Support the integration of JoVE videos into your LMS or learning management system, enabling students to watch videos seamlessly in their native learning platform. Set up quizzes related to JoVE videos to assess student comprehension, and assist with content and feature-related questions, such as using playlists and quizzes. A dedicated curriculum specialist is assigned to your institution specifically. Get the most out of JoVE today.
Okay, thank you very much. We are starting So welcome to the Designing Engaging Cell and Molecular Biology courses. This webinar will be presented by myself. My name is Dinga Jangisi, and I am a curriculum specialist here at JoVE. And with me is Srisam Lakshmi, who is a subject matter expert. So when it comes to learning new information, reading and visualizing offer different pros. Reading enables understanding of the theatrical aspects and written protocols, while visualizing provides a concrete step-by-step visual representation, making it easier to grasp intricate details and nuances. Visualizing becomes better to conceptualize complex procedures without the potential misinterpretation that reading only may provide. Combining both approaches can lead to a more comprehensive and effective learning experience, as the combination of this text and video will display.
This daughter strand is known as the lagging strand. DNA polymerase can only synthesize DNA in the 5' to 3' direction. Because of this, the leading strand is synthesized continuously. However, DNA polymerase cannot synthesize DNA in a 3' to 5' direction on the lagging strand. To deal with this problem, DNA synthesis is carried out discontinuously in a 5' to 3' direction.
All right.
This daughter strand is known.
So about JoVE. JoVE is the world's leading producer and provider of science videos with the mission to improve scientific research and education. With over 18,000 videos on science experiments and concepts, over 1,200 subscribing institutions around the world. So what challenges does JoVE address? The lack of student engagement, students not comprehending complex concepts, students low student retention in STEM majors, poor test scores, and the time it takes to prepare course materials. JoVE is visualizing science to improve students' learning outcomes. JoVE videos have huge impact. These are the average results of students before watching JoVE videos and after watching our videos. As you can see that before watching JoVE videos, they performed on average 28.9% in their test scores. And after watching JoVE videos, the average went up to 89.5%. And this is through an independent study at UCLA. We have also seen better performance in lab assessments too. 100% better results in pre-lab and 76% in post-lab assessments compared to students who only read lab handouts. Now, for the scope of the content, I will hand over to Lakshmi to go into more detail about the content.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'll share my screen. Just give me 1 second. Yes. Yeah, are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So, good afternoon, everybody. I'm Lakshmi, and I have a PhD in biophysics. I work as a subject matter expert with the curriculum specialist with the customer success team in JoVE. So prior to joining JoVE, I have around 8 to 10 years of academic teaching and research experience. So today I'll be guiding you through our JoVE website, our JoVE platform, and show you the variety of aspects, variety of contents that we have in our platform. So JoVE, our platform, we offer both research as well as excuse me, I'm sorry. Yeah, we offer both research as well as education content in our site. If we go to the first, let me just quickly breeze through the research content that we have. So in the research content, we have what is called as the JoVE journal, which is the scientific video journal and peer-reviewed, multidisciplinary, and is indexed in PubMed and Web of Science. So we have around, it is available in around 13 disciplines, as you can see here. And this is how a typical video journal looks like, where you have the video protocol of that particular experiment, and also the article can also be accessed from here. So this is how our video journal looks like. And along with that, we also have what is called as the Encyclopedia of Experiments. This is a video encyclopedia of advanced research experiments for scientists in academia and biotech. So we have it in different categories, like in biology, cancer research, biological techniques, and immunology techniques. All the latest techniques and advanced techniques are shown here. So if I click on any one of them, like cancer research, here we have around 12 different types of cancers. Protocols for the research in 12 different types of cancers are here. And if I click on any one of them, I have the protocols for in vitro studies, in vivo studies, and ex vivo studies. All the advanced ones are given here. So today we are going to, this webinar is the highlight of this particular webinar is to look at the cell and molecular biology content that our JoVE platform has to offer, and that is present in our JoVE education part. So if you go to our JoVE website and click on the biology here on the top, it will open all the content that we have that is that caters to biology. So we have what is called as the core content, like in core biology, core molecular biology, core cell biology, anatomy, physiology. Core means this is gives a core concept, and these are smaller videos, and they are meant to be giving a basic concept for the students. And along with that, we also have what is called as a science education videos, which are a mixture of the concept as well as the practical aspect of that particular concept. And also we have the lab manual videos, which are like practical demonstration, video demonstration of various laboratory experiments. Here we have it is divided into sections which will help the instructor for the preparation of the instructor. There is a section which will give the concept for the student, and also there is a section where the actual protocol is demonstrated. So let us just delve deeper into this content. So any of these two, core molecular biology or cell biology, if you click, it will take us to the core cell biology and molecular biology. So if you see our core molecular biology, it is a classical collection, and it has 20 chapters and 298 lessons. And it is, as I told earlier, these are designed to give one concept at a time to the students. So each lesson will take one concept at a time, and they are shorter in form. They will be like 90 seconds in, approximately 90 seconds in length, and they are available in multiple languages and subtitles. And the core cell biology is our more recent collection. It's an expansive collection of 43 chapters and 561 lessons. And it has 129 scientists in action videos. So what are the scientists in action videos that we have is, these are research protocols, JoVE research protocols, where these are journal where the concept that is discussed in that particular chapter is directly applied. So it will give an overall view for the students who are studying this. And who will be the major beneficiaries for this particular collection is all the undergraduate students of biology, especially the first and second year students, pre-medical and health science students, master and honor students, and who want to brush up their basics, and any molecular and cellular research enthusiasts will be finding our collection very useful. So let us go to each section in detail. As I mentioned earlier, the molecular biology collection has 20 chapters. So just for our ease of understanding, I have segregated them into 6 here based on their right topic that they discuss. The first one is the biochemistry of molecules. So here there are around 5 chapters which discuss about the DNA, cells, biochemistry of the cell, protein structure, and chromosome structure. And then here I would like to all of you to note that the number that is given in parenthesis is the number of video lessons, video concept lessons that are there in that particular chapter. Next, we have on the central dogma, repair and recombination. Here we have video lessons on replication, recombination, transcription, translation, gene expression, and other important molecular biology concepts. Coming to genetics, we have 2 lessons on genetics, on the Mendelian genetics, and also genome, evolution, and also phytogenetics. And we have one dedicated chapter with around 14 lessons for clearing the concepts of cell signaling pathways. Here we give all the basics of the cell signaling, like different types of cell signaling, and also about few basic signaling pathways like GPCR signaling pathway, NOT signaling, and these are all given in visually represented here in these lessons. As we all know, understanding signal transduction happens in multiple steps. Like a ligand binds to the receptor activates protein A goes and activates protein B. So this is it is difficult for the student to understand just by the textual reading, but our videos give a visual representation of this, thereby enhancing their comprehension. Then we have 2 chapters that deal with the molecular biology techniques. These are meant for the various techniques that are involved in studying and manipulating DNA, RNA, like PCR, electrophoresis. Then we have sequencing, and then we have advanced techniques also like CRISPR, SNPs, and other gene expressions. So these are meant for students to get a clear concept before they actually perform. Like these will be like short videos that cover the concept as well as the basic functioning of these various techniques, so that when the student has to perform it later, they will have a good basic about that. Next, we have chapters on cell cycle, proliferation, cell division, and cancer. We have chapters on mitosis, meiosis, the regulation of cell cycle, various proteins and various factors that regulate the cell cycle here. And also we have the concepts of cell biology, this cancer biology discussed here. Like this particular chapter gives the what are the various hallmarks of cancer, what are the pathways that lead to the oncogenesis, all those basics of cancer biology are dealt here. So going to our next collection, that is the cell biology collection. As I told, it has 42 chapters here. And to understand, for our ease, again, I have segregated into 6. So the first part is the essential components of and functions of cell. Here, the various biochemistry of cell and the cellular metabolism, the basics of cellular metabolism and protein structure and function are discussed in great detail here. So this is what we have observed is this particular collection of chapters is useful even for the biochemistry courses also. So next we have lessons on the membrane transport and protein sorting. So here we have video lessons discussing membrane structure and electrical properties of the membrane, intracellular traffic, protein sorting, endocytosis and exocytosis, which are all membrane biology is a very important concept in cell biology. And again, there is a lot of cell protein interaction and lot of steps involved in each procedure, so which will all be easily understood by the students using our videos. Then we have this 2 chapters on cell energetics, where the mitochondrial and chloroplast energy production is discussed. We have chapters discussing about the cellular respiration and photosynthesis in detail here. Then the next unit will be the one where we discuss about cell signaling and cell architecture. Here again we have important lessons about the principles of cell signaling, and also about the components and the function of the cytoskeleton, like intermediary filaments, actin, myosin, etc. And also we have lessons on cell-cell interaction, polarization and migration, and extracellular matrix. So this again is a very complex concept to understand just by textual reading, and our videos have animations that will really help the students to comprehend this complex concepts. Then we have 2 chapters that discuss about the important cell and cell biology techniques, especially the cell separation, cell culture, cell analysis, and also different types of microscopic techniques, which are very important in cell biology. And finally, we have a collection of chapters that discuss about cell proliferation, repair, and stem cell biology. Here we discuss about cell proliferation, cell division, cell death, including apoptosis, necrosis, various apoptosis pathways, and also about stem cell biology. We have lessons that give a good foundation for stem cell biology, regeneration, and repair. So overall, our collection of lessons in molecular biology and cell biology is just not like is like a simple collection of some lessons, but these are carefully curated so that your teaching of cell biology and molecular biology is more dynamic and is more engaging for the students. So along with the core cell biology and molecular biology, we also have what is called as the science education videos. These videos are uh, conceptual videos with a protocol that utilizes this particular concept. Here we have it in two sections, that is basic biology and advanced biology, and under various disciplines. And here the difference between this and the core videos is that these are longer. These have both the concept section as well as the actual protocol utilizing that concept, and clear timestamps for easy navigation. Now that I have given you an idea about the type of content that we have on our platform, what would be the best way to use them? So for that, we have a ready-to-use playlist available in our website. I'll just show you after this, where we have curated videos under various subsections to form a comprehensive playlist covering various topics that are generally part of a molecular biology or cell biology curriculum. And along with that, we have what map textbooks that are standard textbooks that are most used in that particular area. Like, for example, we have Albert, Karp, Lodish, Plopper, and also we have genes and genomes and molecular biology of cell. So I'll just directly take you to our website and show like what the mapping, how this mapping is done. So typically we have the textbook with the chapters and the videos mapped here. So overall, what I would, before I end my presentation and take you to the website, I would like to tell that the JoVE platform supports scientific research at all levels. It gives foundations for the scientific discovery, practical reinforcement, and also for the final discovery of new concepts also is there. So I'll stop sharing my presentation and take you to the JoVE website. Just give me a second. Yeah, can you see the website now? So you have to go to www.jove.com. If you go, then this is our website. And here, as I told in my presentation earlier, we have research with various disciplines here. So if you click on any one of them, it will give us the video articles for all these. These are all the video articles. And then we also have the encyclopedia of experiments that I told earlier. And for in education, especially for cell and molecular biology, we have to click on biology. That will take us to this page. And if you click on core molecular biology, it will take us to this page where 20 chapters related to this particular collection are there. And you click on any one of the chapter. It will have video lessons like this. And each video lesson, as I am emphasizing again, is one concept at a time. So if you click on any one of the video, that will take you to this where the video is there, can be played, and it will have multiple language options are there. And same way, I'll show you our cell biology collection also. The cell biology collection, as you can see here, we have 43 chapters here. And if you click on any one of the chapter, you have the video lessons here. And how to utilize these resources is here on our website. We have what in red color, the flag faculty resource center. You click on here. that will give us land to this page. Here, these are all the various ready-made playlists available in different disciplines. So if you click here, the cell biology, that will give us this is a ready-made playlist, and it's a comprehensive playlist, and it has content from all over the web, all over the JoVE platform. And regarding the textbook mapping, here we have, if you can click on the all textbooks in biology textbooks. Here we have the textbooks here, cell and molecular biology. I click on any one of them. Then I have the chapters. These are the actual chapters that are present inside the textbook. And I click on any one chapter. It will show a playlist, and this playlist the videos that are listed under various subtitles. So sorry, under subheadings. So these subheadings are actual topics that are present in that particular chapter in the textbook, and these are the videos that are correlating to the content of that particular subheading. And that would be it from my side. So before I give to Singa to help you how to use it and utilize it in your particular curriculum, I would like to tell one thing. So when I used to teach cell biology earlier, and especially when I used to teach membrane biology or cell signaling, I used to struggle a lot to make the students understand the concepts, because there used to be lot of multiple steps, and it is our videos. When I saw the videos, I always used to tell, wish I had all these things available to me back when I was teaching. They are all academic. You can use them with confidence in your curriculum, because these are all videos that are made by our production team, which is a team of PhDs in that particular subject. And also they have followed standard textbooks here. So the scientific accuracy is something that Joe always wants and is trying to throughout. So how to best use this into your curriculum? Singa will take over now.
Thank you very much, Lakshmi. So now I will be sharing with you how to share these resources with your students. So before you are able to share JoVE resources with your students, you have to sign into your JoVE account. Once you're signed in your JoVE account, you'll be able to embed a video onto your LMS, watch videos off campus, create and share playlists, create and share quizzes, access multi-language options, and keep up to date with our new releases. So if Lakshmi, you can just drop in the website link so that our attendees can go on to the JoVE website and create their accounts. So also, I'll be going through the steps on how to create an account on JoVE as well. So once you click on the link that has been provided to you, you will see the page that is in front of you right now. You'll see sign in. You click on sign in. You come to create an account. You click on create an account. You put in your institutional email address, because if you enter your own personal email address, you won't have access to the subscription that your university holds. So it's important to enter your institutional email address. A verification code will be sent to your institutional inbox. Once you go into that inbox and click on the verification email, which will look like that, it'll bring you to this page. You'll enter your details like your first name, last name, create a password, enter the institution that you come from, and select professor or instructor. And write lecturer over there, and then you create your account. It is that simple. Now I'll be showing you how you embed videos into both Moodle and Blackboard. Also want to let you know that we do embed into other LMSs, but for the sake of this presentation, we'll stick to these two. All right. So on the JoVE account, it will look like this. Once you're signed in, your name will appear on the top right corner over there. So for example, you'll go into the search board over there, and you will say cell biology, looking for a video that you want to embed. And you say you want an introduction to stem cell biology. You click onto that video. You see the video over there, and you'll see something that says embed video. You click on that. Once you click on that, a copy embed code will appear, and you click on that, and that tab will turn green. Once it turns green, you know that the embed code has been copied. Okay, once that's been copied, we will now go onto Moodle to embed that video. Once you get onto Moodle, you click on the course that you want to enter that video under. You make sure that you turn editing on so that you may add resources. You add an activity or resource. Once you're here, you click on page. Since it's one video that we want to embed, you come here and then we say cell biology. You may enter a description of the video that you are entering. And then once you come to the content, you click on the drop down over here. And in the bottom right, you'll see an HTML sign over there. You click on that. And then we clear whatever we find in there. And we paste the embed code that we found on the JoVE website. And we save and display. And just as easily, the video is now in your Moodle. Now I'll be repeating the same process. Difference is I'll now be showing you how to embed a whole playlist. Okay, so once you share your course outline with me or your course topics, I'll then take those course topics, share them with Lakshmi. Lakshmi will then create a beautiful playlist of your videos with me. I'll share that video playlist with you. Once you are ready to embed those videos, this is where you'll find them. And I can run through that process with you one-on-one as well. You'll go onto your JoVE website, log in. Once you're logged in, you'll come to My Playlists. Under My Playlist, the playlist that you have requested will appear over there. You click on the playlist that you have requested. Stem cell biology. You scroll up and down to see if it's exactly what you have requested. Once you're happy, you download the common cartridge over there. Then you give it a couple of seconds to download. Once it has been downloaded, we go back to Moodle. And in Moodle, we'll go to the course that we want to put the whole playlist in. And say we want to put it under topic 2. We click on add activity or resource, and we click on ISM content package. And in the same process, we click on here, say, stem cell videos. And once we get to package, content package, we click on choose file. Please always make sure that you remember what you've downloaded the file as. Then we say choose file. And we just search for the file that we've just downloaded. And there it is. I open over there. And we say save as stem cell, stem bio. And then we upload this file. We give it a couple of seconds so that it can upload the file. The files save quite quickly, and then we save and display. And as you can see, all of the videos that were under that playlist will appear on the left-hand side, and the video itself will appear on the right-hand side with the course notes, the video notes that come with it.
Embryonic stem, or ES cells, are undifferentiated cells that come from the inner cell mass of a blastocyst, a 3 to 5 day.
Right, and that is how you embed a video on Moodle. So I'll be showing you how to embed on Blackboard. Firstly, you sign in your account. And once you are in your Blackboard account, you'll come to the course where you want to add the video resources. So we'll be starting off with embedding a single video. As you remember, you go onto the JoVE platform. You click on the video that you like, maybe any video on the website. Click on the video. You click on embed video. You click on copy embed code, and then it will change to copied embed code, and it will turn green. And then we will click go back to Blackboard. Once we are in Blackboard and we've clicked at the course that we want to add the resource to, we'll click on content on the left-hand side, and then we'll click on item under build content. Then we write the name, cell biology. And then under text here, we click on that HTML code over there. And then we paste the embed code. Once that is pasted, we click on save, and the video will appear. And then scroll down, and then play with the options that we have here. If you want to track the number of views, you can click yes. If you want to set a time and date restriction, you may. And then you click on submit. And your video will appear. And to embed a video, it's the same. You go to the JoVE platform. You go under your profile. You find the playlist that you want. You download the CC. Okay. Once your CC is downloaded, you come to your Blackboard again. You click on packages and utilities. You scroll down and say import package and view logs. Once you're here, you click on import package. Under select a package, you click on browse local files. This will then go into your computer. As I mentioned again, just remember what you've saved it under in your computer. You click on the file that we are saving. And then we come under select course materials and we select all. And we submit. Refresh the screen. And the playlist will appear under help over there. And all of your videos will appear and the notes that they come with. And we are done with the embedding. So with the next steps, you may request a curated playlist from me. And with that playlist, you'll then send me your course outline or your course topics. I'll then book a date where I'll present that playlist with you once I get it back from Lakshmi. And then afterwards, I will also assist you with integrating the JoVE resources that you've asked for into your LMS. And in the chat box, as you can see on this screen, there are my contact details. You can send me an email, request a meeting, a one-on-one demo. And in the chat box as well, you may find a form where you can request a mapping over there. And that is it. If you have any questions, you may send your questions in the chat box and we'll answer any questions that you might have for us. Okay, just make sure that we've given everyone enough time to take on the details. And that is the end of our webinar today. Thank you very much for your participation. I hope you enjoyed the webinar and have a wonderful day.